Welcome back to Our Venture Life. Today, we're taking a full tour of the Jayco Jay Flight SLX 260BH, a popular family travel trailer with a practical floor plan designed for easy RV camping. This entry-level RV is a great option for families who want to get started without moving into a larger or more complicated camper. The 260BH stays under 30 feet, making it easier to fit into many campsites. With an unloaded weight of around 47 pounds and a GVWR of 65 pounds, it is also easily towable by many half-ton trucks. Another big advantage is the no-slide-out design, which keeps the RV simple and eliminates concerns about slide mechanisms. Starting outside, this travel trailer features aluminum siding with wood framing. Up front, there's a power tongue jack with a manual override, along with space for a battery and two 20-pound propane tanks. Along the side, you'll find an exterior awning, outdoor speakers, a large window, and standard RV tires riding on leaf spring suspension. One useful feature underneath is the metal protection, which can help reduce damage in the event of a tire blowout. There's also a large exterior storage compartment located beneath the bunk area. At the rear, you have a mounting point for a retractable ladder, a bumper that can store a sewer hose, a spare tire mounting location, and rear brake and reverse lights. A tankless on-demand water heater provides hot water, while manual stabilizer jacks are located at the front and rear and can be operated with a drill. Now let's step inside. The entry door includes a stopper and latch, along with a screen door. The window can also accept an optional shade. This model offers a cargo carrying capacity of around 1,674 pounds, and its manageable weight helps keep it within the range of many half-ton trucks. Solid entry steps make getting inside more stable. Once inside, the floor plan feels surprisingly open for a no-slide travel trailer. The living area features a jackknife sofa finished in a soft cloth or suede-style material. Storage is available underneath, while the furnace and heating ducts are located in this area as well. The sofa easily folds flat to create an extra bed, giving you additional sleeping space when needed. Moving into the kitchen and dining area, you'll find a wrapped countertop, so it's important not to leave standing water on the surface. There's a small area for storing sponges, several kitchen drawers, and under-counter storage. The water lines and water pump take up space behind and below some of these cabinets, which explains the shallow drawer depth. One nice detail is the real stained wood cabinet doors rather than wrapped cabinet material. The kitchen includes a split sink, a basic faucet, and upper storage cabinets. Above, the air conditioner is ducted through the trailer, and an interior speaker is also located nearby. For cooking, there's a 3-burner gas stove, a small oven, and storage underneath. The kitchen also includes a large refrigerator for this size of RV, with a separate freezer section. Overall, this is an affordable entry-level travel trailer with a lot of usable interior space for the price and size. The construction also includes insulation within the RV's build. Before we move farther through the interior, this floor plan is worth a closer look because it makes smart use of the available space without relying on a slide-out. The seating, kitchen, dining area, bunks, bathroom, and front bedroom are all arranged in a simple, easy-to-navigate layout. That can be especially useful for families who want a camper that feels practical and straightforward, rather than overly complicated. The no-slide design also keeps the setup simple at the campsite, while the under-30-foot length helps make the trailer easier to manage. Inside, you still get multiple sleeping areas, including the convertible jackknife sofa, the dinette that can become a bed, the double-over-double bunks, and the front bedroom. That gives the 260BH flexibility for family camping and additional overnight guests. The layout also separates the main sleeping areas, with the bunks positioned toward the rear and the main bed located up front. Combined with the functional kitchen, bathroom with a tub, storage areas, and comfortable seating, This trailer focuses on giving families the essentials they need in a manageable entry-level RV. At the rear, the double-over-double bunk beds are one of the biggest family-friendly features. Each bunk is rated to hold up to 600 pounds, and the bunks provide plenty of sleeping room. The upper bunk can be reached using the grab handle since there is no traditional ladder, and there's also a speaker in the bunk area. Across from the bunks is the bathroom. It includes a plastic sink with counter space, a mirror, and storage underneath. You also get a plastic foot flush toilet, a bathtub, toilet paper holder, and a roof vent. The shower uses a curved shower curtain and includes a skylight, which adds extra headroom. The shower height is impressive, and the shower head provides flexible use. With the tankless water heater, you can continue to enjoy hot water as long as you have propane available. Moving forward, the bedroom has an open layout without a solid privacy door. A privacy curtain can be pulled across when needed. There's room to walk around the bed, although one corner near the walkway is something to watch out for. The bed comes with a foam mattress and storage underneath. The strut-assisted bed lift makes accessing that storage easier. You also get bedside space, an electrical outlet, shelf storage, and additional wall storage. The bedroom lights use individual switches, and there's a dedicated location for mounting a TV. Another electrical outlet is available nearby, along with storage on the opposite side. One side includes a clothing rod, and there are no floor vents in the bedroom. Finally, the electrical breakers and fuses are located in a lower storage area, and there's another outlet underneath the dining table. Overall, the Jayco Jay Flight SLX 260BH brings together a simple no-slide design, family-friendly double bunks, flexible sleeping space, a functional kitchen, a full bathroom with a tub, and a comfortable front bedroom. Its manageable size, practical weight, and straightforward layout make it a strong option for families looking to start their RV camping journey. Thanks for watching RVenture Life, and we'll see you in the next RV tour.